What's going on, everybody? It's your man Lyndon Britt from SuccessWithLyndon.com, founder of Home Run Marketing, where we cover our bases of your business. And today on Tips or Two with Lyndon, got a nice one for you. If you happen to be hopping on, just to let you know, if you're watching recording, fast forward about 1 minute. It's where the content's going to begin. I'm actually going to make this one quick. Probably make this about 5 or 10 minutes. I want to get right to the point, and we're going to talk about what it is, what it means, what the 24-hour rule is, okay? Are you all familiar with the 24-hour rule? If you're familiar with the 24-hour rule, let me know what you think the 24-hour rule is. Type that in the comments, all right? So, once again, if you're watching recording, even let me know as you're hopping in. Let me know where you're viewing from. I'm heating you up from Dallas, Texas right now, where it's sunny and still chilly outside. These temps are starting to drop, but I love being able to connect with people. You never know, you may be able to connect with someone that happens to be watching this live right along with you. But I appreciate you hopping on at this Saturday about 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. I know it may be 3 in East Coast, and it may be maybe noon over on the West Coast. Get in touch with prospecting in 24 hours. It's very close, very close. That is very important key too. Get in touch with a prospect within 24 hours. That is very close. That's not the 24-hour rule. However, I guess that's the 24-hour rule within following up. Let me say that. That's the 24-hour rule within following up. You definitely want to do that as soon as possible. A lot of times you can do it within 24 hours. Okay, that's definitely a want to. All right, anyone else, if you happen to be hopping on here, let us know what you think the 24-hour rule is. And as a matter of fact, that is not incorrect. That is not incorrect. I can definitely say that is correct. That is a part of it. Okay, so let me correct that. You are not incorrect. That is absolutely correct. Okay, so if you have been, where you viewing from, Miss Pamela? Let everybody know where you watching from, where you viewing the live from, because I'm about to dig into it. Like I said, I'm actually going to make this about 5 or 10 minutes because I'm getting straight to the point. And once again, appreciate you all spending a couple of minutes with me. Like I said, I got a tons of thing to do today, so I'm gonna make this quick, and I know you want to enjoy your Saturday. So let's go ahead and dig into the content. The 24-hour rule. We're going to talk about the 24-hour rule. What is the 24-hour rule? Okay, Miss Pamela just mentioned one of it, and it ties in very much so with the what the actual 24-hour rule. She is actually absolutely correct. Okay, the 24-hour rule is, y'all ready for this? Y'all ready? Give me some thumbs up if you can hear me and you ready for it. Give me some thumbs up. Come on, give me some thumbs up if you ready to hear this 24-hour rule. Also, if you like the value I provide and give, make sure you hit that share button. Share this out and invite a couple of people to see this thing so they'll be able to recognize what this is and hopefully be able to help them grow their business. And once again, if you see this, I put this in the comments when you're watching this thing. If you can get your team, San Antonio, appreciate that. Okay, so like I said, we're very close. We're very close. If you can get your team to understand this, you can get a lot more commissions in your business. If you enforce this with your team, your organization, even your employees, if you happen to be a business owner at a storefront, you can get a lot more income coming in. The 24-hour rule is, if there is something that you need to do, you implement it within 24 hours. So once again, Ms. Pam, you're absolutely correct. If it is something that you need to do, it is very important. It's pertinent that you get that done within 24 hours. Reason being, most people that say they're going to do something, if they don't do it within a 24-hour period, they end up not doing it. All those things that you don't get to within that 24-hour period, those are the things that add up on your to-do list. How many times have you recognized and looked at something that said, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do this, I need to do that. And if you don't do it within that 24-hour period, the very next day, guess what? I still need to do this. I still need to do this. I still need to do this. Matter of fact, and even today, I have to do this. I have to do this. And all of a sudden, that to-do list goes from 1 item to 50 items in a matter of a couple of days. You have 24 hours to implement whatever it is that you said you were going to implement and begin learning and doing and stuff like that. Or more than likely, you will not do it. Got it? While waiting until tomorrow for things that you can do today, something like that. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's very important because, like I said, think about what you have to do today. Think about some of the things that you said you have to do today. All those very important things. You get up, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you realize I got to go get gas or something like that. You say, I'm going to do those things. A lot of times you take care of those things. When it comes to your business and you say, okay, I need to call back my leads, and all of a sudden that day gets very busy, I'm putting together my blog. A lot of people put second-rate things, okay, second-rate things on above the must-dos. They begin to implement things less important than what that number one thing is that they need to do. Okay, if I have 10 leads that I need to call, but yet and still I want to get a blog up, I want to get a video, guess what? Which one is more important to you? Introducing, actually getting a chance to put your content in front of somebody else when you speak to somebody, or just putting another piece of content just to go get more leads you don't follow up? Guess what? Now you got more people to follow up with. You got 24, I mean, it's just an example, toss that out there, but you got 24 hours to do. Okay, you got to make your list. If you're making a list out of things to do, put the most important things at the very top of your list and do those things first. What happens is we make a list. Say we got 5 very important things that we need to get done throughout the day. We can't do all of them at once, but we need to do. A lot of times, a lot of people procrastinate on the most important things. Put those at the bottom of the list, and the things that are less important and easier to do, they do those first. Less important and easier to do, they put those first. Take those most important things that you need to do, put them at the top of your list, and do those first. We got one thing that we talk about in one of the teams that we're a part of, when we begin to say, reach out and communicate with at least 10 people a day. Reach out and communicate. It is not hard at all. But do you know that most people, even myself, this is one of the things that I was doing. I would wait till the end of the day to begin to communicate and try to reach out and contact and begin to communicate and reach out to people at the end of my day. Number one, it's at the end of the day, a lot of people don't want to talk. They're coming to the end of the day. They're coming to the close. That's where they're about to start getting prepared for tomorrow. And so if they follow up, a lot of times, because when you do that at 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, and people across the world in different time zones and stuff like that, if they respond to you, number one, they're wondering, why is this person reaching out to me, regardless of what it's for? This is just, again, it was a mistake that I was making, a mistake that I continuously made for a while. But that was one thing that I needed to do. If you want to get your business in front of people, you got to begin to communicate and reach out and start building relationships and start establishing relationships. Don't wait to the end of the day to begin, hey, I'm going to reach out to 10 people now, because now a lot of people are looking at their phone like, I don't know you, it's late, and they sit it down. They won't respond. You do that kind of thing at the very beginning of the day when people are actually picking up their phone rather than sitting it down. They're looking at their phone, and they've got an entire day to be able to respond to you or react based on what you said to them or how you reached out to them. That should be one of your top priority things. Just a little nugget for you, for those of you out there that are prospecting people. What's going on, bro? Appreciate you hopping on here, Marcus. But that is one of the most important things that you have to learn how to do. Implement what you learn within 24 hours. If you are not doing it within 24 hours, more than likely you won't do it. Not to say you won't. If you happen to be one of those type of people that actually come back and do it and implement what you say, you're one of the few. You might be part of that 5 to 10% of the people that actually do. Congratulations. But most people that say, I'm going to do something, I need to do something, that don't implement it within 24 hours, don't do it. I'm a witness. I'm a victim. I'm a culprit, whatever you want to call it. I've done it. Every now and then I catch myself still doing it. There are a couple of things right now that I know I need to do that I said a few days ago, I need to do this, and I didn't do it within 24 hours. So guess what? It's on my to-do list, and that to-do list is building up. So if you've got something that you need to do, anything that you need to do, find out the importance of it based on the things that you have to do for an entire day. Put the most important things at the top. Do those things first. Begin to implement those things first and do them within 24 hours. So what is the 24-hour rule? If you have something to do it within 24 hours, or more than likely, you won't do it. It ends up on your to-do list. And by the way, eliminate the to-do list. Get rid of the to-do list. By the time you look at it, you realize it's so extensive, you're overwhelmed, but I still need to do this. throw it away, start over, get things done within the first 24 hours and start making it happen. All right, I told y'all this was going to be a quick one. That was the message for today. If you got value from this thing, give me some thumbs up, some likes, some smiles, all that kind of stuff. If you like my guns, go ahead and give me some thumbs up, some smiles. I'm just kidding. All right, but y'all have a blessed and wonderful Saturday. Hope you enjoy your day. If you're still watching this recording and you have any hopping on here, let me know where you're viewing from. Let me know if you got value from it. And if you did, share this thing out to a couple other people, especially your team and the organization. I told you, if you can get your team to understand this, if you can get your organization to understand this, to implement what you're teaching and implement what they learn within 24 hours, you can get a whole lot more commissions because they begin to take actions. Tell them not to wait. Make it happen today, whatever it may be. If it's three-way calls, if it's follow-ups, if it's presentations, whatever it may be, promoting, tell them to do it within 24 hours and you can find your commission checks growing even more. All right. So once again, you got value, hit that share button, share it out to the people that you're connected to, that I'm not, that I don't know, that you can make an impact with. And you all have a blessed and wonderful day. If you enjoyed this value, if you enjoyed this tip, meet me over successwithlyndon.com. There's a lot more tips and information and videos and content, baby, help you grow your business. And look forward to giving it to you there. And free tools, all that kind of stuff that you be able to use to help you grow your business, especially if you implement Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, stuff like that. Free training over there too. So successwithlyndon.com. All right. Y'all have a blessed one. I will see y'all later. Take it easy too, bro.